newest tag team partner, Travis.
Yo. It's alwoo-witdashoe. What it do? You already know what to do at this point. If this is your first time, you checking out the hardest working YouTube family. That's right. Yes, we are growing 600 plus strong gang, and we're not stopping. And if you like the content, tell a friend to tell a friend to meet us at 10. Today, I want to go ahead and talk about some hype beasts. Two cultures clash. WWE and hip hop icon at this point and mogul Travis Scott. That's right. He teamed up with a Hall of Famer from WWE. That's right. Rey Mysterio, number 619 special. He'll hit you with the turnbuckle kick and you'll be flying out to Sacramento or somewhere. But shout out to Travis Scott and Rey Mysterio for having this type of meeting and interaction to where they came to a WWE live event, and it's all centered around the Fanatics Fest. That's right, Michael Rubin and the Fanatics company is teaming up with all sports across this great nation and across the world to bring us some interactions with fans and some live entertainment. If you look at this, Travis Scott definitely was showing out with the Jumpman Jacks, and he represented with those Travis Scott lows on by Rey Mysterio. Now, when it comes down to those kicks, Rey Mysterio was balling out. You see him Gucci down from head to toe. My man's got on the custom Gucci-inspired mask and gave Travis one. Look at him. Travis out here looking like he's Travis Mysterio. Like he about to go and be out here wrestling Logan Paul for the WWE and the United States Championship. I mean, look at him. He came out there with the custom Houston Astros World Championship belt. Look at him, man. Travis Scott out there looking crispy and clean with his own style. Rey Mysterio got on the Gucci outfit, looking like he's straight up out trying to be a West Coast player. Dang, man. Two worlds collide. Two hype beasts, two icons, man. Look at that. Now, do you think that is something he should do? He should go full-time or part-time in the WWE? Because if you look at it, Bad Bunny already had made his appearance in the WWE. And you got Logan Paul, who's an internet social media celebrity. So Travis Scott might be on to something, man. Don't be surprised if you see him get a WWE contract and drop a few elbows from the turnbuckle and call it the sicko mode and take him down to Astro World with an Astro World slam. So, I don't know, man. I just think that the colors, the styles, the different things that he represents when Rey Mysterio come out with his mask to incorporate that with a Gucci outfit and some Travis Scott lows, man. And then bring out Travis Scott himself. Yo, the WWE is expanding in everything that has to do with pop culture. I love it. What a time to be alive. Never thought that one of my WWE icons that I looked up to growing up, man, would be out here moving and grooving with Travis Scott. We are definitely in a time to be alive. So, shout out to all my family. Y'all continue to hit that like button on the way out and subscribe. It's been a real one. Until the next time, peace. Yo, hello? Yeah, you guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them? All right, man, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always gonna be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe. Share it, man. Let's get this platform grown bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. I'm telling y'all, tap in, and we gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe, alwoo-witdashoe.